YouTube or not to YouTube? I'm sure if you watch the video you're saying, or not. Today is May 10th. Haven't left the house since March 16th. Isolation can be a bit boring, especially when you have a brand new 2020 Royal Enfield Interceptor 650 sitting in the garage. I've waxed it 3 times and sat on it for hours. Then I go inside and watch hours of people riding their bikes. Itchy Boots, Scooter Tramp Scotty, on her bike, Rosie, and others. Mostly Itchy Boots. I think it's because she rides more like me. Would rather stay off the freeway. Not into being in crowds of people. Okay, me, I just don't like people much. And it's more about the ride, and the beauty, and the smells, the density of the air, the far-off rainbows. The richness of it all is so captivating, you just never want to stop, and you can't wait to go do it again. Margarita Motoress said, "I ride because I love it. It's my yoga. When I ride, it's my church. Sometimes there's confession. Sometimes there are answers to questions I didn't know I had. Sometimes there are sorrows I didn't know existed. But there's always peace. I know some of it is the current conditions that make me want to just ride off and disappear. I've been boring my son with talk of the different Itchy Boots episodes, saying, 'Man, I just want to take off and ride like that.' I wonder if. We all have those I wonder ifs, don't we?" So he dug through his closet and found his original GoPro Hero. Well, I have no idea what I'm doing. To that I'm sure you're thinking, no kidding. I just cleaned off the scratched up case, mounted it on my bike, and zipped around the neighborhood. That's the farthest I've been away from the house since March 16th. Sure felt good to start up my bike and ride. I missed the smell of expensive perfume coming from the convertible next to me at a stoplight. I missed the smell and taste of the rich pine air while riding in the mountains. So I will ride again someday. In the meantime, to keep my brain active, I think I will learn about this YouTube stuff and figure out the GoPro, editing, and all that. Sorry if you watched all 5 minutes. I'm sure you'll be disappointed, but I did it just for me. Stay calm, stay safe, stay well. Thanks.